everyone. Today we are going to construct a mobile detector. For this project we need some instrument. First of all we need resistor. 2.2 mega ohm resistor 2 needed. 1 kilo ohm resistor 1 needed. 100 kilo ohm 1 needed. We need IC CA3130E. We need capacitor 100 UF 1 needed. 0.22 UF 1 needed. 47 PF 1 needed. We need one transistor BC548. We need one LED as per as you like, yellow or red. We need 9 volt battery with battery clips. We also need a breadboard. So here this is our IC CA3130. Here is 4 number pin, here 7, 6 number pin, here is 3 and 2. In 6 number pin we connect a transistor. In 7 number pin here we connect with this junction. Here we use 1 kilo ohm resistor. Here we connect our LED. And we connect these two junctions. Here we connect our capacitor 0.22 EF, and here we also connect our one capacitor 100 EF, and we also connect these two junctions. In number 2 pins we also connect our resistor 100 kilo ohm, and we connect this with this junction. Here we connect our one resistor 2.2 mega ohm. Here also we connect a capacitor 47 PF, and this pin we connect our battery. Here we connect our resistor 2.2 milliohm. Constructing the circuit look like this. If I on my phone, then the circuit start blinking. If I cut the call, then light stop. Found this video useful, then like, comment and subscribe.